So, to our Manong Governor, Honorable Jerry Udalipo, to our energetic Vice Governor, Honorable Glenn Provinciano, my fellow colleagues in Isagonyang Panalawigan who are present, and to my hardworking partners in the municipalities, the Municipal SK Federation presidents, to all municipal officials who are here, to our esteemed board of judges, Bugan Yawigan Likotat contenders, municipal delegates, supporters, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to one and all. Welcome to the coronation night of the Surge of the Bugan Yawigan Likotat 2024. While it is true that the events of Likotat at Ifugao are centered in the preservation and promotion of our culture, we are not limited, and we do not limit ourselves because culture is dynamic and it is evolving. The Bugan Yawigan Likotat is not just a beauty pageant. The search for the Bugan Yawigan Likotat at Ifugao have evolved from being a search for Miss Ifugao to what it is now. We have witnessed its growth from a mere search for the most beautiful Ifugao ID. It is an interpretation of what Ifugao talent, beauty, creativity, and innovation are. It also gives us an opportunity to reinvent ourselves by showcasing our readable textiles. It gives us an opportunity to be bigger and better in the area of beauty, talent, and fashion. So without any further ado, again, we welcome you all. We wish you a lovely night and enjoy the evening. Hagiyoy dito na rin.
Thank you so much. That is our provincial SK Federation President, Honorable Lance Siegfried Inhuma.